Hey guys, Alvin here, and this is video 9 out of 10 in the 10 video series I'm doing on George Bridgman style anatomy. And today's the leg chapter, so go ahead and grab your pencil and paper, whatever you're using to draw with, and let's get started. So first I'm going to draw front, back, and side views of the leg. So you can see the muscles here. I'm not going to go through all the technical names of the muscles because Jim Lee and David Finch have actually both said that it's more important to know how the muscles, form is and where it's located on the body. That's more important than knowing the muscle's name. I mean, it can be helpful sometimes, but it's a lot more important to just know the the location and size and shape of the muscles. So let's go over a few of them, like the quads here, the rectus femoris right here. I don't even know the name, so I gotta look in the book. And the vastus internus here, the one on the inside. This is the inside of the leg here, and this is obviously front view of the leg, and the inner side view, outer side view in the rear. And this one's the vastus externus here, and I'm not going to go over all of them. Here's the calf muscle you can see here, and then the other side of it. This is the muscle that comes in front of the shin here, calf muscle. And then here's one of the quads. I guess this is the vastus internus muscle here. And then the outer view, and this is the gluteus maximus here, and the hamstrings, or semitendinosus, this one, and then this one's the biceps femoris. And that's all I'm going to go over as far as the muscle names. So I'm going to do one more page. I'm going to do 6 more illustrations now. I see a few more different angles of the knee and the bent knee from the side, from the front. I probably could have organized this a little bit better, but you can get the idea. And the rear, I think that's the rear left leg from the back, and then same thing from the back. You probably know what I'm going to say next. Yep, go practice drawing some legs and some knees. Alright, that's it for the leg chapter, so go ahead and go practice drawing some legs. Don't skip leg day, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be the last video. Finally made it up through all 10, so go ahead and get some practice in. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.